Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you information and fact about the state Haryana. Haryana came into existence on 1 November 1966. Even state of Haryana had been carved out from Punjab, but on that time Chandigarh declared as the combined capital for both states. It's still the combined capital of Haryana and Punjab. It is also the reason why High Court of both the states is entitled as Punjab and Haryana High Court exist in Chandigarh. Haryana is a state which covers the national capital Delhi from three sides. In result, several districts and area of South Haryana comes under National Capital Region, popularly known as NCR. Haryana is the one of richest state of India. If we consider the GDP, then it acquires second rank in the country. The Indus Valley civilization was also connected to Haryana. As per various sources, it proved that Harappa civilization was begun from Rakhigadi, which uncovered and founded in Haryana state Hisar district. Land of historic battles. Several historic battles such as the battles of Panipat and Kurukshetra of Mahabharata were fought here. The river banks of Saraswati, which is the present day Haryana, traces to the region where the Vedas were written. Gurugram. It is believed that Guru Dronacharya gave spiritual instructions to the Pandavas and the Kauravas at this place. Sarovar of Mohamaya. According to legends, Lord Brahma created the universe from the Brahma Sarovar of Kurukshetra after performing a huge yajna. The city of Panipat finds mention in Mahabharata as one of the 5 cities founded by the 5 Pandava brothers. Lord Krishna preached the philosophy of karma as enshrined in the holy Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna at Jyotisagar in Kurukshetra. Bhishma, lying on the bed of arrows, felt thirsty. So Arjun shot an arrow into the ground, which let loose a stream of gushing water. It later came to be known as Bhishma Kunda. Haryana is the first state in India to have 100% rural electrification. Haryana is the largest exporter of basmati rice in India. In the 2010 Commonwealth Games at Delhi, 22 out of 38 gold medals that India won came from Haryana. The Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, this 145-hectare national park that plays host to over 250 resident and migratory bird species, is located in Gurugram. Suraj Kund is named after the 10th century sun pool that was built here by Raja Surajpal. Kingdom of Dreams. It is India's first live entertainment, theatre and leisure destination. Aam Aadmi Ki Khas Bus. The bus service by the state government with facilities such as FM radio, mobile charger, etc. at a nominal fare. Cactus Garden in Panchakula. It has more than 3,500 species of cacti. Mango Mela, an annual event. The Mango Mela is organized in the month of June or July at Mughal Gardens in Pinjore, started in 1992 and has mangoes from all over the country. Haryana is the largest producer of passenger cars, tractors, motorcycles, bicycles, refrigerators and etc. Panipat handlooms and carpets are known all over the world beside its famous pickles. More than 75% population rely on the agriculture sector. Haryana is the second largest producer of food grains in India after Punjab. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, bajra, maize and oilseeds are the major crops produced in Haryana. The main reason for such high production of food grains in Haryana is the high fertility of the soil of Haryana and adequate irrigation facilities. Haryana contributed heavily towards the Green Revolution and made nation self-sufficient in food crop production in 1960s. India's largest real estate company, DLF Limited, is based in Gurgaon. Panipat Refinery is the second largest refinery in the South Asia. Rohtak has largest wholesale cloth market of Asia. Adwa in Kurukshetra has the second largest grain market in the Asian continent. Yamunanagar has Asia's largest paper mill and one of the largest sugar mill in India and Asia's largest timber industry. Ambala is the largest manufacturer of scientific apparatuses. It is named Science City of Haryana. Ambala is one of the biggest exporters of education instruments in the country. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.